Hi everybody, Jackie here with Brian from Weber Automotive. How you doing?
Good, Jackie. How are you?
Doing good. So you guys are a locally owned shop. You're in North Olmsted, and we're going to talk today about 5 questions to ask your auto repair shop before you get your car serviced.
Absolutely.
Car's a big investment. You want to make sure these people are doing right by you.
And are capable and all that, yeah.
Absolutely. So the first question up here.
What are your online reviews and what's your online rating?
So why is this so important to ask?
Well, that really is the best indicator there is on how other customers have experienced, what their experiences have been with that shop. And there's a whole lot that goes into the experience. Are they competent? Do they do customer service well? Do they have the right tools and equipment? Do they make excuses and have to upsell all the time? So this is the best indicator of what somebody's going to do for you is what's being done in the past. So
yeah. So it's more than just the capabilities, it's the experience as a whole, but the capabilities and tools and equipment, they can be a big part of that.
Absolutely, yeah.
And so if you guys are looking for reviews for Weber, you can find them right on our website. There's some examples of them there. So if you're looking at a new shop, check online, see what those reviews are before you go in. And then this next question here is a big one too.
Yeah, how many years have you been in business and how much experience do your technicians have? How many years in business is a really good indication of how much experience they have. And how well they've been doing, good or bad, for other people. That also plays into the review aspect. And experienced technicians, the cars are becoming so technology dense, more and more so, and it's just accelerating like the technology and everything else. So if you're going to get a new kind of green, unexperienced technician working on your vehicle, there's a high likelihood you're going to have service experience that doesn't work out like it should. They're going to do something wrong that's going to cause a problem. Experience says an awful lot.
Yeah, and there are certifications that sometimes technicians have. You can see those on Weber's site, and their staff's right next to there. You guys are looking good there. And like you said, these technicians have to adapt to this changing technology. They have to be experienced, stay up on their certifications, and making sure that the shop you're using has an experienced staff. They know what they're doing is a really important step before taking your vehicle in.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
And do you work on the particular make and model that you own? Does the shop that you're looking to go to or interviewing, do they work on your type of vehicle and your model? Do they do all types of repairs, or do they specialize in a certain aspect of the vehicle, whether it's tires, brakes, maybe air conditioning, tune-ups? That's really important because, again, you want people to be competent on what you want them to do for your car. And a really good shop is going to be certified and educated and trained on the vehicle bumper to bumper. So because so much of the vehicles are integrated nowadays with technology, a problem one area can show up someplace else. And
so you might want to think of it kind of like doctors who have different specialties, except you're really looking for that primary physician, the one who knows it bumper to bumper. They know all back. It's not like you're going, oh, I'm going here for my brakes, I'm going here for this. You want to find a technician who knows everything and really is certified across the board, because they can be. There's education, there's certifications, and they can learn everything.
Yeah, we constantly train.
So you can browse services and see what make and models, or even inquire about a shop if they service your make and model by going online as well and checking that out there.
Yep.
And now the other thing is what warranty they provide, because a lot of these parts can go bad, or certain repairs may be under warranty.
Absolutely. And it doesn't matter what type of shop you're going to, whether it's the auto dealership, tire store, brake facility, independent repair shop. That's a great question to ask. A small independent shop may have a warranty only at their facility, whenever that is. Servicing dealership might only be at their facility, maybe only GM or Ford dealerships. One of the benefits that we have is we have a 3 months, 3,000 mile nationwide warranty. So there's like 8,000 shops across the country that support that warranty. So no matter where you are and where you're traveling, there's a warranty for the repairs that we perform. Which is the best in the business, really.
So people may think, if I'm going to a small shop, they may not have a great warranty, or it may not be available all places that a chain might be. But you may find that it is, like you guys have, an option where you can visit multiple different shops across the country and have that warranty there. And there are chains that may just be restricted to those facilities as well, or to certain regions. So you have to be careful and check out that warranty ahead of time. And then the last question we have here are, what days and hours are they open for service?
Yeah, that's a big one because people are so busy nowadays. it's critical to be able to plan your visit and then to know if that works out. The other thing is, can you drop off or pick up after hours?
Yeah.
We have after hours drop off and pickup we can work out. That helps out, make it easier for busy people with busy schedules.
Yeah.
The other thing that helps a lot is we have loaner cars.
Yes.
So we're a 5-day-a-week shop because we work really, really hard 5 days a week. Technicians, especially good ones, you try to work them 6-7 days a week, they're going to burn out. They're not going to be happy. They're going to miss things. So 5 days a week is what we do. But the loaner cars, I think, help a lot with the fact that we're not there on Saturdays or, not open ridiculously long hours during the week.
Yeah, absolutely. And like you said, you can pick it up before or after if you need to. You have those loaner cars. It's just important to ask these questions and make sure that the shop that you're choosing is the right shop for you. They're capable, they're highly experienced, they give you a good experience. And then take your car there and become a loyal customer and get that car serviced and get the long life out of that vehicle and that investment.
Absolutely. And those are great questions to ask. If you ask those to a shop or a facility, you'll learn a lot by the answers.
I love that. And to get these questions answered for Weber Automotive in North Olmsted, you can check them out online at weberautomotive.com. Brian, thank you so much for being here today to talk about this.